Welcome back, guys, to another day in the life. Today is Wednesday, the third trading day of the week. Just want to get right into it. Trading NASDAQ today. We got marked at our highs and lows, and let's just get right into the charts. All right, so I did end up marking out my lows. There's no highs. There's not a lot of highs. There's literally no highs. Maybe this one, but this high hasn't formed yet. So I ended up marking my two lows. So I'll just have to wait till we come into these areas. Market open already took out this low right here, so we'll just wait for a reaction out of it. It's probably not going to be a good risk to reward to target this up here, so we got to find liquidity on the other time frames. The only thing I got to keep in mind is that it is PMI today, so there might be not even any trades today because the price action might be bad. So let's just keep that in mind. All right, so we did end up getting what is it called? Let me see what type of news it was. Bullish news. So in 3 minutes, we're gonna see what type of news we get over here. But we just have to wait until 10 o'clock. We got 4 minutes till 10 o'clock. So we're gonna see this price action to come to this middle area, so it can have prolongs up to this high before it gets taken out, and I can't get a trade off of it. All right, so we are getting this 5-minute retrace. Candle closes in 20 seconds. So we're gonna move down to the 1 minute because I know it's gonna retrace. I'm gonna see if we have any areas of fair value gaps. Nothing. So let's try to wait for a break of structure. If we get a break of structure around this area, if we get a break of structure around here, there's probably gonna be no trades today. But look at that volatility. Look at the market moving like crazy. So we might get some movement and we might get a trade today. So we ended up breaking above this high right here. So I'm just waiting till, this is not a fair value gap yet, but if it gets created, I'm waiting till it gets created and we tap into that fair value gap, or even this one right here, and then we can go on to target this high of the day, and put stops below the stop loss creation. So market ended up coming way too high to this liquidity area, and we did end up tapping to this fair value gap, but it was way too high. It was a bad risk reward. It was like a 1 to 50, so I ended up not taking anything on this area. But I'm still open to looking for more taps into this fair value gap, or even these down here. I'm gonna take out this liquidity, and if it does before it taps into any of this, there's gonna be no trade for today. It's unfortunate because it's probably just the PMI news that's messing up the price action. But ain't no biggie. We just gotta deal with it, and we gotta see what we have tomorrow. So yeah, the price action did end up wicking that thing out. I'm pretty sure, I think we're like at the all-time high right now, because there's no other liquidity areas at all. So I'm pretty sure we're at the all-time high right now, and it's not really ideal to trade at the all-time high. But yeah, price went on and wicked out this liquidity. So I'm not gonna look for any trades anymore. That's pretty much it, because we didn't even get it to here, nothing. I knew we were gonna get to this area, but we just didn't get a tap into any of these fair value gaps at all. And we did get a tap into this one, but there was no there wasn't a good risk to reward on that trade, so I didn't even end up taking it. All right, so we ended up not taking any trades today. The market didn't really present itself because of the PMI news today, but it was nothing too crazy. Tomorrow we have, tomorrow we got unemployment claims at 8:30, so it shouldn't impact the market as much as it did today because news was at 10. But now let's just get our day started. We gotta stay productive, we gotta stay active. So I'm gonna go head to the laundromat right now. I already put everything in the clothes, in the bags or whatever. It's a whole bunch of laundry. I haven't done laundry in maybe like 2 weeks, so I'm gonna be there probably all day. All right, so right now we're gonna head to the laundromat. But besides the laundromat, price action in the market has been really shitty. At least for my strategy, has been really shitty. I haven't seen any setups. I haven't seen anything that I like to see. But that's because of Q4 and obviously the holidays. You know, you got Thanksgiving, Christmas. You know, so just hope we by the end of next year, by the end of this year, going into next year, price action just gets more flow. Because if not, I'm gonna have to go into my strategy and tweak some things and just fix it so I can like get a setup almost every day. I'm on my way to the laundromat now, so I'm gonna just pick up the camera. I do got this big old blanket There's a lot of shit in the trunk as well. I got two big bags, so I'm gonna just pick up the camera when I'm done with all this. Might even take me like 2, 3, 4 hours, maybe. Not 4 hours is a lot, maybe 3 hours, but I'm gonna just pick up the camera when I'm done with all this. I'm not gonna lie, it has been like 7 hours since I last picked up this camera. Honestly, I wasn't really doing much today, so there was really nothing to talk about or show you guys, but I did start editing this video and I am gonna go to the gym now. But I did end up finishing that laundry. I did end up getting some food like always. Now we're gonna go head to the gym. Just because it's been hours later doesn't mean I'm not gonna go to the gym. So I am gonna go to the gym and I'm gonna end this video after that. Go to the gym, I'm gonna get some more food because it's been so long since I ate. So I'm gonna go get a rice platter with chicken and then I'm gonna start heading to the gym. Alright, so I got the food right here. I know y'all see it. Rice, white sauce, and steak with a little bit of cucumber in there. I'm telling you, bro, shit hits every time. When you don't know what you want to eat, get a platter. All right, guys, so I just finished up a little quick workout, nothing too crazy. Now I'm just gonna get ready for bed, you know, get ready for tomorrow, get ready for tomorrow's training session, and get ready for tomorrow's vlog once again, because I do not have work again. I love when I don't have work, and I love getting on this camera for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed though. I appreciate you guys. Subscribe, like, and comment, and I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. Peace.